Welcome back to LearnFlow English.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and like this video.
Yes, please do.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex.
We help you practice real, simple English.
And if you like our videos, please help us by clicking like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. Thank you so much.
Today we have a very delicious topic.
Yes, today we are talking all about food and restaurants.
We will learn how to order food, talk about what you like to eat, and use useful phrases in restaurants.
It's going to be a very tasty lesson. So, Alex, how are you today? I am very well, thank you. Actually, I'm quite hungry. And you, Mia?
I'm great. I just had lunch before we started recording. I had a really nice pasta salad.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I love pasta. What kind of pasta was it?
It was penne pasta with tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. Very simple, but very tasty.
My mouth is watering already. You know, that's perfect because today we're talking about food.
Exactly. Food is one of my favorite topics. Everyone loves food, right?
Absolutely. And when you travel or meet new people, talking about food is a great conversation starter.
So true. So, Alex, what did you have for breakfast this morning?
I had toast with butter and jam and a cup of tea. Very British.
Very British indeed. I had avocado toast and a flat white coffee. Very Australian.
I see what you did there. We all have our food traditions, don't we?
We do. Okay, so let's start with some basic food vocabulary. Alex, what are the main meals of the day?
Great question. We have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner in the evening.
Perfect. And some people also have brunch. Do you know this word, Alex?
Yes, brunch is a combination of breakfast and lunch. It's usually on weekends, around 10 or 11 a.m.
Exactly. It's very popular. People go to cafes for brunch with friends. What about snacks?
Oh yes, snacks. A snack is a small amount of food you eat between meals, like an apple or some biscuits or nuts.
Good. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, and snacks. Now let's talk about types of food. Alex, what are some common food categories?
Well, we have fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, dairy products like milk and cheese, and grains like rice and bread.
Perfect. And we also have desserts, the sweet things we eat after a meal, like cake or ice cream.
Oh, I love desserts. My favorite is chocolate cake. What's yours, Mia?
I love ice cream, especially mango ice cream. It's so refreshing.
That sounds wonderful. Okay, now let's talk about taste. How do we describe food?
Good idea. Food can be sweet, like honey, or chocolate. It can be salty, like chips or popcorn.
It can be sour, like lemons, or bitter, like dark coffee, without sugar.
And it can be spicy, like chili peppers. Some people love spicy food. Some people don't. What about you, Alex?
I like a little bit of spice, but not too much. My friend once gave me a very spicy curry, and I couldn't finish it.
I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
You're brave. Now, let's talk about how we eat. What are some common eating verbs?
Okay, so we have eat. That's the general word. I eat breakfast every day.
We also have drink for liquids. I drink coffee in the morning.
And have is very common too. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I have dinner with my family.
Right. Have is very useful. You can say, I have a sandwich, or I have a cup of tea.
What about try? This means to taste something for the first time.
Yes, I want to try sushi. Have you ever tried Thai food?
Perfect. And order, this is what you do in a restaurant. I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about restaurants. Mia, do you like going to restaurants?
I love it. It's so nice to sit down, relax, and have someone cook for you. What about you?
Same here. I go to restaurants maybe once or twice a week, sometimes with friends, sometimes with family.
Nice. So, when you go to a restaurant, what's the first thing that happens?
Well, first you enter the restaurant. Someone might say, "Hello, welcome. How many people?"
Yes, and you answer, two people, please, or a table for four, please.
Exactly. Then they take you to your table and they give you a menu.
Right. The menu is the list of food and drinks the restaurant offers. You look at the menu and choose what you want.
And when you're ready, the waiter or waitress comes to your table and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Yes. And you say, yes, I'd like, and then you say what you want. For example, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Perfect. "I'd like" is very polite. You can also say, "Can I have?" or "I'll have."
Good. For example, can I have the vegetarian pasta, please? Or I'll have the fish and chips.
Exactly. And don't forget to say please at the end. It's very important to be polite.
Absolutely. And if you have questions about the menu, you can ask the waiter. For example, what's in this dish?
Or, "Is this spicy?" Or, "Does this have nuts?" This is important if you have allergies.
Very important. You can also say, I'm allergic to nuts, or I don't eat meat.
Good point. Now, let's talk about drinks. The waiter might ask, "What would you like to drink?"
And you can say, I'll have water, please. Or, can I have a glass of orange juice?
Or, "I'd like a coffee, please." What's your usual drink in a restaurant, Mia?
I usually have sparkling water or sometimes a glass of white wine. What about you?
I'm boring. I always have tap water. Maybe a beer if it's a special occasion.
Tap water is free in most restaurants, so that's very practical.
Exactly. Okay, so you've ordered your food and drinks. Now you wait. And then the food arrives.
Yes, the waiter brings your food and might say, here's your grilled chicken, or enjoy your meal.
And you say, "Thank you." Very simple.
Right. And if something is wrong, maybe the food is cold or it's not what you ordered, you can politely say something.
Yes. You can say, "Excuse me, I ordered the fish, but this is chicken."
Or, excuse me, this soup is cold. Could you warm it up, please?
Good. Always be polite. The waiter will help you fix the problem.
Exactly. Now let's imagine you're eating. The waiter might come back and ask, how is everything? Or, is everything okay?
And you can say, "Yes, it's delicious, thank you." Or, "Everything is great."
Perfect. And when you finish eating, the waiter might ask, would you like dessert? Or can I get you anything else?
If you want dessert, you say, "Yes, I'd like the chocolate cake, please."
And if you don't want anything, you say, no, thank you. Just the bill, please.
Yes. The bill in British English or the check in American English, this is the paper with the price of everything you ate.
Right. And then you pay. You can say, can I pay by card? Or do you accept cash?
Most places accept cards now, but it's good to ask.
Absolutely. And in some countries, you leave a tip, extra money for the waiter as a thank you for good service.
Yes, in the UK, a 10–15% tip is normal if the service was good. What about Australia, Mia?
In Australia, tipping is not required, but it's nice to leave a little extra if the service was excellent.
That's interesting how it's different in different countries.
It is. Okay, everyone. We're going to continue with some practice. Stay with us.
Yes! Coming up, we have role plays and useful phrases for different situations.
Okay, now let's practice with some role plays. These will help you use all the phrases we learned.
Great idea. Let's start with a simple one. I'll be the waiter and you're the customer. Ready?
Ready?
Good evening. Welcome to the Garden Restaurant. How many people?
Just one person, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Here's your table, and here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink while you look at the menu?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Of course. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the mushroom risotto, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like a salad with that?
Yes, please. A small green salad.
Perfect. I'll bring that out for you shortly.
Thank you very much.
See how easy that was?
Very easy. Now, let's switch. I'll be the waiter this time.
Okay.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Wonderful. Let me tell you about our specials today. We have grilled salmon with vegetables and a delicious tomato soup.
Ooh, the salmon sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Great choice. And what would you like to drink?
Do you have fresh orange juice?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. I'll have a glass of orange juice, please.
Excellent. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Perfect. See how natural that conversation was?
Yes. Now let's do a different situation. What if you need to ask about ingredients?
Good idea. Okay, I'll be the customer with a question.
And I'm the waiter. Go ahead.
Excuse me, I'm interested in the pasta carbonara. Does it have any cream?
Let me check for you. No, our carbonara doesn't have cream. It's made with eggs, cheese, and bacon.
Oh, that sounds good. But I don't eat bacon. Can you make it without bacon?
Of course. We can make it with mushrooms instead if you like.
That would be perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. So that's one carbonara with mushrooms instead of bacon.
Yes, exactly.
Great. See, everyone, don't be afraid to ask questions or make special requests.
Exactly. Most restaurants are happy to help. Now let's practice another situation. What if there's a problem with your food?
Okay, you're the customer with a problem, and I'm the waiter.
All right. Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm sorry, but I ordered the vegetarian pizza, and this one has ham on it.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me take this back and bring you the correct one right away.
Thank you very much.
My apologies for the mistake. The correct pizza will be out in just a few minutes.
That's okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Always stay calm and polite, even if there's a mistake.
Yes, mistakes happen. Being polite helps everyone. Now let's practice asking for the bill.
Good idea. I'll be the customer. Excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was delicious. The fish was excellent.
I'm so glad. I'll bring your bill right away.
Thank you. And can I pay by card?
Yes, absolutely. I'll bring the card machine with me.
Perfect. Thank you.
Great. Very simple and polite.
Now let's practice some useful phrases for describing food. Mia, imagine you're eating something delicious. What can you say?
Okay, this is delicious. Or this tastes amazing. Or this is so good.
Perfect. What if it's just okay? Not great, but not bad.
You can say it's okay, or it's not bad, or it's pretty good.
And what if you don't like it?
Well, you can be honest but polite. You could say, it's not really my taste, or I prefer something lighter.
Good. You don't need to be rude, just be honest.
Exactly. Okay, now let's talk about common mistakes people make when talking about food in English.
Great idea. Mistake number 1, confusing food and meal.
Right. Food is what you eat, like pizza, rice, chicken, but a meal is the occasion, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
So you don't say I ate a good food. You say I ate good food or I had a good meal.
Exactly. Mistake number 2, forgetting to use some or a with food.
Yes, don't say I want pizza. Say I want some pizza or I want a pizza.
Good. Some for uncountable food like rice, water, bread. A or an for countable things like a sandwich, an apple.
Mistake number 3, saying I have hungry instead of I am hungry.
Yes, we use to be with hungry. I am hungry, she is hungry, we are hungry.
Not I have hungry. That's a common mistake from speakers of other languages.
Exactly. And mistake number 4, confusing cook and cooker.
Oh, this is a good one. A cook is a person who cooks, but a cooker is the machine, the stove in your kitchen.
Right. So you say, my mother is a great cook, not my mother is a great cooker.
Yes, cooker is the appliance, cook is the person.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, now it's your turn to practice.
Yes, we have a challenge for you today.
In the comments below, tell us about your favorite food or your favorite restaurant.
Try to use the phrases we learned today. For example,
My favorite food is pizza. I love it because it's delicious and easy to eat.
or my favorite restaurant is called Bella Italia. They serve amazing pasta.
Or you can tell us about a meal you had recently.
Like, yesterday I went to a Chinese restaurant. I ordered sweet and sour chicken. It was so good.
Keep it simple, just a few sentences.
And here's a bonus challenge. Tell us one food you've never tried, but you want to try.
Yes, like I've never tried sushi, but I want to try it because it looks interesting.
We love to know. We'll read your comments and maybe reply.
And don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to practice.
Exactly. Now, let's do a quick recap before we finish.
Good idea. Today we learned
Number 1, food vocabulary, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and different types of food.
number 2, how to describe taste. Sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy.
Number 3, restaurant phrases. I'd like. Can I have? The bill, please.
Number 4, how to ask questions. What's in this dish? Is this spicy? Does this have nuts?
And number 5, how to be polite. Always say please and thank you.
Perfect. So that's it for today's episode.
We really hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful.
If you did, please give us a thumbs up. It really supports our channel and helps us reach more English learners like you.
And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. We make new English lessons regularly, so you don't want to miss out.
Don't forget to complete the challenge in the comments. Tell us about your favorite food.
We love hearing from you. Your comments make us so happy.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We appreciate every single one of you.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. Keep practicing and maybe go try a new restaurant this week.
Great idea. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.